I am at the Brian Smith residence to do a repair attempt video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this wind damaged shingle right here without trying to disturb the shingle above it. I'm going to start by making sure the shingle that I'm removing isn't adhered to the shingle below it. Now I'm going to make sure the shingle above it isn't adhered to the one I'm removing. Okay, now I'm going to remove the wind damaged shingle from the decking. Okay. Okay, I've got the shingle out. Something I'm going to show you here is there's material transfer. It's called mat transfer. So now you can see how this is eating up this shingle right here. I will flip it over and take still photos of it after I'm done. I'm going to put it right back in, fasten it to the decking. Okay, I'm going to fasten it using this roofing snake. So I use this so I don't have to lift the shingle above it higher than necessary in order to get a decent nail strike. Okay, so in the process of this repair attempt, the shingle is now secure. I showed you the mat transfer, but also take a look at the chipped edges on this shingle. This shingle is going to get damaged right here. This one's not so bad over here, but this roof is not repairable in its current condition.